Hi, okay, so I've decided that I'm going to create a new account and just kind of do music on it and whatever. And this is going to be like more personal stuff. I mean, I'm going to put the music up on here too. Well, most of it, stuff that maybe I don't want to put on my other channel. I don't know. I don't really think anyone watches this anyway, so yeah, but it's going to have a new channel. It's going to be called, Brit Mento or Brittany Mento. I don't know, I haven't made it yet, I haven't decided. But yeah, it's mostly going to be that kind of stuff. Yeah. I don't know, I don't know. This is a place where you can come for, like, weird videos like this, and, other stuff of this nature. I mean, there's going to be music on here, too, because, well, yeah, this is, like, my original channel. It has all my favorites and my subscriptions and everything on it. And cleavage, yeah. Okay. Awkward. So on that note, I think, yeah, on that, I'm just gonna say, new channel, come check it out, yeah, bye.